SEMA experience has just been awesome. I mean, being a part of RBP being the brand that it is, we knew that we were kind of the stepchild, if you will, because we're not running the giant wheels with the show polish and forged and all that stuff, but really wanting to help accelerate the brand when it comes to the actual off-road wheels. And so being a part of that and actually getting the questions from people walking by, other brands noticing the RBP bead locks on the Jeep and asking us how they function. And then just I'll just call it love from the people at RBP, because we built a real rock crawler on a real rock crawler wheel. It's not a full-blown show truck, but at the same time, it definitely turns heads, and we're really thankful to RBP for helping us do that. Right now we're running the 50R Cobra RBP beadlock wheels, and we are using them as a beadlock with the 42-inch tires. And we have the RBP grill. I had seen the Cobra beadlocks pop up last year, and my first impression of the looks themselves, I thought they looked phenomenal. There's not a lot of really good beadlocks out there, especially good-looking beadlocks that kind of mix the, what you want your truck to look like or your Jeep to look like on the street, as well as function on the trail. And so this gives us the best of both worlds. With it being DOT, I can run it legally in the state of California with the beadlock ring, the trim ring, and I can also run it on the trail as a functional beadlock. They're phenomenal. I've already sold 2 pairs to customers just since we started this build, and we'll definitely be selling more. Having a build at SEMA, partnering with RBP and a few other companies has just been a phenomenal experience. I mean, it's something that I'll definitely do over and over. The communication was awesome. The parts came in when they needed to come in. It's just such a great partnership, and for us, being a new shop with a first-time build, being able to be on the front and center of the South Hall and being a part of the photo shoot and the parade and everything else, it's just a phenomenal experience for all of my guys who we flew out for the show. And it's a great partnership. I hope to do more with RBP in the future.